Hi, I'm James the Light Guy, and today is a special day. Hopefully, this will be the last day in this studio, and we'll be moving on to Studio 3.0 in the next one. What we're going to do today is finish up our 3D printing story series by building a UV curing box. In the build where we made the finished product of the external hard drive case, I had to cure it out in the sunlight because we didn't have a UV curing box. The SLA resin that forms this plastic does need to be cured, and the easiest, most even way of doing that would be to get a solar-powered turntable like that one there, and a string of UVA LEDs. These are 405 nanometer wavelength LEDs, and they have a simple 120 volt power supply. If we plug them in, you can see that they glow that lovely blue, and they make other things glow. We also have some reflective panels that have a very nice mirror finish to them. We will build these into our box, surround it with these LEDs, and make a nice curing box. These LEDs will also power the rotating turntable, so we don't have to worry about external light. And of course, because it's me and I love hexagons, we're going to make a hexagon shaped box. So first, let's turn this off, get it out of the way. Now this here is the largest sized object that I can print with this printer. If we were to imagine making a hexagon here, we have plenty of space above, below, and on each side for that. So we'll cut out 6 of these shaped pieces and 2, a bottom and a top hexagon, and we'll just use some tape to hold everything together because, you know, as professional as I am still a fan of janky DIY stuff. So let's move this stuff out of the way and make a template. Okay, we've set up our 6 side panels and laid out the position of one base plate. Again, if we put this turntable in the middle, you can see how much space we actually are going to have. And then we'll be able to get the second hexagon out, or top plate, out of this area over here. So I'm just going to quickly cut these out, and we'll be back in a minute. Now that we have our template cut out, I broke some of the seams so we can flip it over and see what it looks like when we fold it up. It's not exactly perfect and it wants to bend off to the side, but like I said, that's part of the charm. Additionally, instead of sticking these panels on square, since they are flexible, we will fold them in half and use them to help strengthen the bond here and just apply the tape to the outside. So, give me a moment to peel all these and attach them on. Quick update, I taped the outside of the corners and reinforced the lid, so now it goes on kind of straight. However, trying to get the panel to go around the corner snapped it, so we're just going to put them on each flat face and make a panel for the bottom and the top. I'll be right back. It's kind of hard to see since the mirrored surfaces are so clean, but we have all of the sides and the bottom set up presently. We still have to do the top and install our LED strips. Now the LED strips have an adhesive backing, which makes it super easy to install. We're just going to go around the perimeter in a couple of times, spiral down until we run out of strip. We have the LED strips wrapped around the perimeter and a couple on the bottom here, shining upward. If we plug it in and turn it on, you can see we have a huge amount of UVA light. And if we grab our turntable and put on something, there we go. And we could close the lid. We still have to put a mirrored surface on the top. But you can see we don't have a huge amount of clearance in there. Oh, knocked it over. But that is all that I have time for in today's video. I'll add the top level and we'll have this for future 3D prints. If you liked the video, give me that thumbs up. Consider sharing with your friends and subscribing to the channel if you're not subscribed already. Until next time, I'm James the Light Guy.